Dropshipping is a business model where an online retailer, the dropshipper, sells products to customers without keeping the actual inventory in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the product from a third-party supplier or wholesaler who then ships the product directly to the customer. The process of dropshipping typically involves the following steps. Setting up an online store. The dropshipper creates an online store through platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. They design the store, customize it to their branding, and add product listings. Sourcing products. The dropshipper identifies and establishes relationships with reliable suppliers or wholesalers who offer dropshipping services. These suppliers provide access to their product catalog and inventory. Product selection. The dropshipper selects the products they want to sell in their online store from the supplier's catalog. They can choose from a wide range of products across various niches, depending on market demand and their target audience. Listing products. The dropshipper creates product listings in their online store, including product images, descriptions, and pricing. These listings showcase the supplier's product information, which the dropshipper obtains from the supplier's catalog. Marketing and selling. The dropshipper implements marketing strategies to attract customers to their online store. This can include social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, content marketing, and other promotional efforts. When a customer places an order, the dropshipper collects payment. Notifying the supplier. Once an order is received, the dropshipper notifies the supplier or wholesaler. They provide the necessary order details, such as the customer's shipping address and the products ordered. Supplier processing and shipping. The supplier processes the order and ships the product directly to the customer. The supplier handles inventory management, packaging, and shipping logistics, allowing the dropshipper to focus on marketing and sales. Order tracking and customer support. The dropshipper communicates with the customer, providing order tracking information and addressing any questions or concerns. They act as the main point of contact for the customer throughout the buying process. Profit margin. The dropshipper earns profit by charging a markup on the product price. The difference between the retail price charged to the customer and the wholesale price paid to the supplier represents the dropshipper's profit. Dropshipping offers several advantages, such as low startup costs, as there is no need to invest in inventory upfront. It also eliminates the need for warehousing, packaging, and shipping, making it a relatively low-risk business model. However, it also comes with challenges, such as intense competition, reliance on suppliers for inventory management and order fulfillment, and potential issues with product quality control and shipping times. Successful dropshippers often focus on selecting profitable niches, providing excellent customer service, building strong relationships with reliable suppliers, and implementing effective marketing strategies to attract customers and generate sales.